Good afternoon. My name is Travis McCullough. I'm here to talk to you guys today about the future strategies of work. The topic of this presentation is about actually helping develop our workforce to be ready for the future to come within the next 5, 10, 20 years. I do want to go ahead and thank you all for watching this video. I know we're going through some difficult times with COVID-19 at the moment, but I want to make sure I address this topic because this is something that's critical and has to be addressed. So to start off, we're currently going through a shortfall of manufacturing talent. Not just manufacturing, but people that are trained, ready for IT, STEM programs, automated systems. We have a shortage of that system. So when it comes to manufacturing jobs, which is the heart of America for many years, these jobs are going away. So in the past, about 10 years ago, 23% of American jobs were actually manufacturing related. Today, it's down to nearly 12%. And that is mainly due to automated systems. Processes are becoming more efficient, work at a faster rate without the need of as much human intervention. So the jobs are going away from the actual hands-on labor. And today we need more people that can actually work on automated systems. Sadly, it's a job that's replacing one job can replace almost 10. It's true, but we need people that can actually do that job. And that's one of the things we're having a problem at, is we have that shortfall of talent that can fill that particular role. Having the knowledge to actually work on this type of equipment is very specialized. And we have an age of workforce that knows how to work on it, who are at the point where they're starting to retire out. On top of that, there's new technology that's being introduced that they may not necessarily know. In addition to that, we have a group of young individuals, a young talent, who we can tap into to try to train them while this older workforce is still here, to actually get them ready to take over the reins when the older generation retires out, and plus make sure that we have enough people, enough young talent to actually fill the needs for America going into decades to come. So, to keep going, we need to find ways to continue to develop this process. We need to bring in new talent. So when I say new talent, it could be people that are experienced in their careers or still fresh out of college. And we need to incentives to attract them into this field. So it's not just a monetary value. It can also be more flexible schedules, work from home opportunities. It can even be student loan repayment. It does not have to be monetary because not everybody is about money. We have to be able to find ways to bring them in. In addition to that, find ways of developing them as well. So I'm quite certain these new candidates want to be developing the newest state-of-the-art equipment that they're going to be working with, and possibly going into the future, what maybe just around the corner they don't have a chance to work on yet. To continue, companies to start investing more into apprenticeships and internships at the university and community college level. Investing in these talent programs early, and even in addition to that, to possibly even recruit straight on from high school level as well, you start bringing in an even younger talent pool. And one of the aspects of bringing in someone young and training them while they're fresh is that, one, you have the benefit that there's a higher chance they will stay at your place of work for a number of years. Typically, the average rate for people fresh out of college is to stay at a job for 2 to 3 years. That's the new standard. But if you bring in somebody, train them as an intern or apprentice, there's a higher chance they will stay with your company for a number of years to come. In addition to that, besides training them, you need to invest into, like I mentioned, the community college university level. When you invest into those programs, like, for example, Wake Tech's NC Works program or Tech Hire, for example, what IBM invests directly into Wake Tech to provide the certification for CompTIA, Cisco, and a few others, which are almost $2,000 each for each certification. There's about 10 covered in the program. IBM pays for that. They pay for the students to go to school, even a small supplement for the student to go to school, just to invest in that talent pool. Companies have to invest into these programs. If they want this young talent, they have to invest, because not everybody has the opportunity to go to school. In conclusion, I'd like to express this. I'm a product of this type of work system. I'm a former engineering apprentice, and I'm currently a technician at GSK. and I've seen what this program can do for people. I started out, I was recruited right on from high school. They put me in a program paid for by the state for electronics engineering technology at Wake Tech Community College. Following the conclusion of the program, I was hired on full time. I had the opportunity to continue going to school. I'm currently finishing my bachelor's degree now, and it's an endless set of opportunities I can pursue. And I'm not limited to this particular role. I can even consider going to another role in the next couple of years. There's no limitations. I feel like I'm part of the company and a valuable asset, and I enjoy what I do. So I just want to say it is good to invest into these programs. I'm a product of it. I've enjoyed every step of the way. And on top of that, the company has the benefit of now have someone that's young, that's trained with senior people, knows the company in and out. I'm still learning, but I know the company thorough enough to where I can handle my own. And this allows me to be the next young talent to enter GSK to be able to hopefully solve our next manufacturing problems. Now, I know this is a video, so if you have any questions, feel free to email me or give me a call. My contact information is below. I do appreciate your time. Thank you.